is the temple of Ramji, Hanumanji temple and Ramji temple. You can see beautifully orange colored painted. See here. So here Hanumanji temple. You can see Hanumanji there. In the front of temple of Ram Bhagwan, Lakshman. You cannot see there. Lakshman, Sita and Ramji here. And this Hinglas temple is located in the south side of the temple. This is the Hinglasgarh temple, Kuldevi of Mauryas. It is also Shakti Peeth. The original Hinglas temple is located in Balochistan of Pakistan. Many people come to worship here during the fairs and the normal times. So here we go around the Hinglasgarh temple. On the back side, some satya are made by the people here. Somebody might have donated this cock here. See there, crows are sitting and monkey is eating some grains given by the devotees. See here how he is eating. See the colorful beautiful trees. On the Burj tourists are standing. See here, very misty environment, and this monkey is eating. See, he is very hungry. I'm going towards him, so he might screech at me. See how fast he is eating the namkins and these crows here. So let's go inside the Hinglasgarh temple. So this is the Hinglasgarh temple. Acha. There are two idols. One is Kalka Mataji and another one is Hinglasgarh Mataji. See how beautifully they are decorated. Thousands of years old. See inside Garbhagriha. They were the Kuldevis of Mauryas. The rest of the descendants of these forts which came here, they too have full faith on them. So here we see the bust of the Ganesh ji, small dhoop battis burning. So very beautiful smell is here. Agarbattis are burning here, and this is their tirtham to convey the message at that time. This is the surrounding, and here are the arms and the Havan place. So this is the Hinglasgarh temple. Okay, let's go. So an employee of MP government tourism, Raghunath Singh ji, opened the kachari to see. So I am saying this. So they are telling me that there are 350 temples here in the fort. But at the time of attack of Mughals, they broke all the statues. So the broken pieces are kept here. But even in the broken pieces, you can see very beautiful. See, this is the hookah we used to play in our small edges. See, very beautiful carvings here. So this was the old treasure, which was our historical treasure and broken by the invaders here. See, some of the important pieces are kept here. You can see the bust broken, how mercilessly they were broken. When they do not suits your thinking, they broke these very beautiful idols here. But somehow the broken pieces too depicts the beauty of the sculptures. See here, Jain Tirthankars and this Gopuram like structure here also. You can see how beautifully they are made. These deities, some type of. So again, more broken pieces. See how beautiful they are. You can see here. So beautiful. Imagine when they were complete and adorning the temples. These are gopurams and the see this broken elephant attacked by the lion. Again, some deities. Here, Ganesh standing idle, a lady broken. This was at the top of the pillar. Again here you can see broken artifacts. It was a marvelous sculpture and idols at that time, broken by the invaders. Now it is in ruins. See this. Hmm. These lines, this one, you can see how much rich our heritage was. See, and how much time our sculptures took. Thousands of years they built these things, and the invaders did. So at the Hinglasgarh temple, devotees used to come on the Wednesday and on the Sunday, and in the night of Saturday, bhajans or the various programs used to held at the temple. So tonight there will be some religious function at the temple in the night, as told by a person in the tourism department here. So now I will show you the outer wall, outside wall. See one very beautiful. That bird is flying there. See, yellow, and some parrots are there. They are drinking water. See, rushed away. See, I will show you again the downward side. And monkeys are sitting there, and this is the surrounding of the Hinglasgarh temple. See one platform. There might be some cannons were put in the old time. I'm showing you this beautiful colors of white and green and some yellowish plants. See this little squirrel eating something, unaware of me coming. Go. See here. There is one more gate there. Here, one more gate to escape the fort or to bring someone backside. See in the fog, you can't see anything after some distance. Here the monkeys are cleaning each other. So this is the surrounding of the temple. So let me show you the plaque of the Hinglasgarh temple. This one here.